Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we will continue with the class 8 science chapter, that is microorganisms friend and foe. So in the last two videos, we have seen or we have learned what are microorganisms, how they are classified, then the different characteristics of the four groups of microorganisms, then what are viruses. Then we have also learned the we were learning the various ways in which microorganisms are used. So the friendly microbes are used in making curd, bread, then cakes. They are used in making a lot of beverages like alcohols, wines, then vinegar. Then these microbes also have medicinal use, that is they are used as the antibiotic medicines. Then today we will see how these microbes are used as vaccines. So we know that when we were young we were given some injections or drops as vaccines. So what are these vaccines and why these are important, that we will learn today. So when a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the antibodies are produced by our body. So when a healthy body is affected by a disease causing microbe, so when a microbe enters our body to cause diseases, our body will produce some antibodies, and these antibodies will fight against the invader. Okay, the disease causing microbe will be fought against by these antibodies and it will be destroyed or killed. So when a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the antibodies are produced by our body to fight with the invader. If microbes enter again, the body also remembers how to fight with the microbes. So when once antibodies are formed against a certain microbe, it will fight with the microbe and eliminate the microbes and protect our body, and our body or the antibodies will also remember how to fight against the disease in case we are attacked by the microbes again in future. Then if dead or weakened microbes are injected in a healthy body, the body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. So now if a healthy human body is there, now if dead or weakened microbes, so if dead or weakened microbes are introduced or injected in a healthy body, so if dead or weakened microbes are introduced in the body, our body will produce antibodies and these will fight against the disease causing microbes and kill them. Then the antibodies remain in the body for protecting from the disease causing microbe, and this is how the vaccine works. So what happens during vaccination, or what is actually the vaccine? So dead or weakened microbes which are disease causing are introduced in a healthy body. So when we are healthy, our body will produce antibodies which will easily kill these dead or weakened microbes, and this is how our body will learn to defend itself or protect the body against the certain disease, and this is how vaccine works. So during vaccination, what is given to us or injected is the dead or weakened microbes which are easily defeated by our antibodies, and that is how our body becomes or our body learns how to fight against that diseases. So in future, if we are attacked again by such disease causing microbes, our body already knows how to fight against that disease. So several diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox and hepatitis can be cured by or prevented by doing the vaccination. So when this disease we are actually attacked by these diseases, we already know how to fight against it because of the vaccination. Then the next point is increasing the soil fertility. So microbes are also used for increasing the soil fertility. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to increase the soil fertility by fixing the atmospheric nitrogen and enriching the soil with nitrogen. So as we have already learnt in lower classes that some plants the leguminous plants have root nodules in which these microorganisms are present, or some of these microorganisms also live freely in the soil. Now what these microorganisms do? These will fix the atmospheric nitrogen which is present into the soil and make it available to the roots of the plant to take up. By fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, these microbes, the blue-green algae or the bacteria, enrich the soil with nitrogen, and this is how the plants have access to a lot of nitrogen in the soil. Now these microbes which fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere are called as biological nitrogen fixers. So the microorganisms which fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil and enrich the soil with nitrogen are called as biological nitrogen fixers. These are bacteria or the blue-green algae. So here one example or a picture of blue-green algae is given. Nitrogen fixing blue-green algae, and this is a nostoc. It is a cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Then the next point is cleaning the environment. Now at the time of making manure, we collect waste from plants, vegetables and fruits from nearby houses or garden or any organic house waste which is produced, and we put them in a pit meant for waste disposal. Now after some time, all this organic waste will get decomposed by the microorganisms. So here also the microorganisms help us decompose the waste, and that is how the environment will be kept clean and hygienic, and it gets converted into manure. So this we have already learnt how the manure is produced, or how the microorganism decompose the organic waste into manure, and by this method the environment is also clean. So in today's class we have seen how the vaccines work and what role the microorganisms play in vaccination, then increasing soil fertility and the cleaning of environment. In the next class we will learn about the harmful microorganisms and how they affect plant, animal and human lives. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.